Hi, today Tech's routine will show you how to improve sound quality by just filling cheap speaker stands. This type of stands cost on average $70. The main problem with these stands is their lightweight. One such stand weighs just under 3.5 kilograms. True hi-fi class stands cost at least 2 times more and also weigh from around 6 kilograms, giving more stability, which is good for sound clarity and better stereo stage. To make this simple improvement, you'll need to find some fine sand or stones to fill your speaker stands with. Almost any loudspeaker stands can be filled with extra weight. These cheap speaker stands aren't exception either. You'll also need some foam or kitchen sponge for this job. To make a few, at least 4 corks out of this, to seal the ends of the stands so that the weight material doesn't fall out. The top holes of the stand might not be taped shut. If you like the speaker cables to be pulled through the stand tube, then do it now. Then use tape to seal the holes where the weight material could fall through. This is for extra security together with the corks. The result is that sand or stones stay in the stand. This should be at both ends of the stand tube to avoid problems when moving or tipping the stands. Brilliant! Not even the smallest grain of sand will fall out. The currently cut out sponges need holes punched right through the middle, so that they can be placed on the bar. This should not be done if you have other construction stands. Screw the rods to the base of the stand and put the cutout sponges in their new place. Then slide the 2 tripod supports or tubes into place. Take your sand or stones and fill it up until the tripod is almost full, shaking it a little, so that the sand settles and the center screw is in the middle, and add a little more sand. Then truly fill the other tube as well. When the racks are filled, place the pre-prepared sponges on top, which will act as corks to keep the sand in. Last, put on the original plastic cap. Now you can put the base of the stand on top and screw it in. Screw back the tripod feet and done. Although, these foots definitely need to be replaced with proper speaker stand spikes. Congratulations! You made the stand almost 2 times heavier and noticeably better. All that's left to do is repeating the process with the other stand, and you can start enjoying the music. As always, you're welcome to comment in the comment section with your suggestions, criticism or questions, and be happy to get some likes for this video. Bye!